playing Aram Mayhem on Smolder. These are all kind of good. This one has Stackosaurus. Let me be a Saur. Stackosaur. I don't think this build normally gets full crit, so I'm just gonna buy this. Or buy this. I'm just gonna click on that and assume I don't want my fourth. I tried to dodge the Ash arrow. Holy, Ash Hawk shot. This guy is not a gamer. Oh, that's fucked up. I was just giving one back. My god. Fuck this bitch. Kidding me? That's rude as fuck. Yeah! Fuck that bitch. This guy is He does not want to turn his W off. Pew 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 pew. Look at these. Gotta get the cannon. Oh, yikes. The stacks. Aw. Vel Quadra. That's crazy. Nah.
This is gonna be fun.
Whoa, my ghost. This thing is a hitter. And we have the AoE. What a flash. Man, AD carry is so hard. You click. Yeah, spit on her. Oh, and I got the cannon with that? I mean, I knew it. Absolutely. How would I ever miss the cannon? Whoa. I just need to keep kiting here. Oh. Wait a minute. Ding ding. Oh wait. I knew Bucket still had that. Oh, what the fuck? I'm looking. Wait, can I even get anything on them? Slaps around, I don't think I can even see. 40% haste or Hextech Soul? I think I'd rather have 40% haste. Well, 40% haste eventually. You dickhead. Spit on him! Pew 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 pew! Ooh. Oh, sleep. Unlucky. 50 stacks, 5 minutes, yeah. 10 a minute is about what I expect on this champion, I think. Unlucky. Give me these! No, give me some of these! Oh my god, I'm fucking fuming. I could flash that, I think. Ooh. There she ghosted. Ooh, this is annoying, alright? The drop kick. I'm gonna pop this. Where are we going, big man? Do that. You too. Do that. Oh, I meant to throw that the other way. Still hit her though. Man, this Ashe champion is a little annoying. Oh, come on now. We get out. Ah. Let me think about my build a little bit. I can only get 2 crit items. I do kind of want IE, but I should get Giant Slayer. I'm gonna buy this. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna buy this for now. I'm gonna get the max fucking value off of it. Combo broken. Crazy. Get it. Aww. The con. Flash after getting excited is crazy work. Man. I am 550 Vayne. Just in general.
Oh no! It's a dragon!
You better watch yourself, cuz. I will fuck you up, man. Where are we throwing that? Where are we throwing that? Damn. I don't want this. Upgraded Zanya's. Maybe just give me that. Or Speed Demon. Just give me this for the set, maybe. Oh, I never got Stackosaurus. She does have a fucking collector. I thought I died pretty high health. I'm gonna try this. 10% is less than 40% on IE. But I should be getting max Vayne almost every time. Ow! That kind of hurted it. Oh, yeah. And this doesn't build into QSS. Oh wait, QSS doesn't have crit on it. XD. Victor has Voa. I don't know. These guys are just rats. Should not be surprised. You know, honestly, you can stand in front of me now, Victor. Yeah, but they're just gonna ignore the power. Wow. Very cool.
If you are lost again, I will find you.
This does do physical damage. Ah, but my stacks are magic, I see. Is the arena? I don't think the arena item is in this mode, right? Yeah, the only hybrid pen item is Terminus. I don't even remember what the item is called, that ass. But I do know it gives you hybrid pen and move speed. I need to find the build that one-shots these. Because that is honestly the most important thing. Damn. I mean, I'm gonna look for a slap around. But I'll take Firecracker set. Don't even know if I can be offered slap around, not gonna lie. But it is worth it if I can get it.
Maybe it's good no one else can understand her.
Yo, that's annoying. Man, I don't know what to do. I should have bought rapid fire, I guess. Fuck this item. I'm hiding behind Victor and seeing what he does. Surely it's not get hit by Velamumu on repeat. because I'm better in every way imaginable. Ooh, damn, she kills him a lot. Am I buying Gunblade? The AP ratios are all only from my stacks, right? Yeah, but oh, not this one. But it does do hybrid damage. Oh wait, that doesn't matter to Omni Vamp. That's the Omni and Omni Vamp. I was stacking fine, and then I kept playing the game, and it's like, ooh, that's not allowed. You have to let Victor hit the whole minion wave permanently. Bro, I get one of those, like, fuck. As if, brother. Just wait for the mages to do something. Because whatever Blitzcrank is doing, it is not good. Brother, let me stack. Oh my fucking god.
Oh, camera roar sounds
Shut
so
down.
fun. Come on now.
Enemy double kill.
She's gonna be excited.
Thus the might.
This is just such a generically good item on my champion though. And it would be on my queue permanently.
I can't eat them, then why do they gotta smell so good? Hard.
Right, when I hit 225, alright.